Hi, I'm Ree from mummyoffour.com. I help busy mums make their lives easier with parenting tips, tricks, hacks and advice. And today I've got a video that's been requested over and over, and it's a tour of my new laundry room. Behind these doors I have got a laundry sorting system. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know I'm kind of obsessed with Calyx because it's from IKEA, because these things are amazing. And then as everything comes out of the dryer, which is down here, it gets sorted into the relevant person's box. So we've got towels up here, we've got cloth nappies up there, and then we've got my husband, myself, and each of the 4 children got our own box. As the stuff gets put into the boxes and the boxes get full, the boxes then get emptied into a basket, taken upstairs, given to the relevant person, and that person is asked to put their things away. I'm a big believer in getting children to help out as much as possible and just get them to realise that it does not happen by magic. I find the younger I've got them to help, the less I'm objected to it, to be honest. Over this side, we have got, in the far corner, the mop storage, ironing board and iron, that kind of thing. The main reason we've got these doors is to hide all of this stuff at the top. We don't want to see that. We don't want to see it at all. So in here I've also got a spare cloth nappy, a bucket. The main one is in the bathroom upstairs where I actually change Sarah's nappies, but this one is just for wipes and things that we use in the kitchen and kitchen cloths. In here we've got my fabric softener and water mix for spraying, freshening up fabrics with a lovely scent. I've got my essential Zoflora, which I use for cleaning. My main cleaning cupboard is in the kitchen, but I also have some extras in here out of the way of the children where they can't reach it. I have got my steamer as well as my iron, which means it's a lot less work and it can steam clothes quite quickly without the need for an ironing board. That's a travel one as well. Then in here I have got my alcohol gel for after I've been touching yucky things, put them in the washing machine to sanitize hands. We have got lavender essential oil for mixing with the cloth wipes, which I kept down here, to fragrance them as we dampen them. I have got a whole video all about cloth wipes, which I will link below. And then we've got the tea tree oil, which for scenting the stinky nappy bucket in between washes. So up here we've got a basket of cloths. These are similar to the minky cloths that are kind of a scrubbing surface on a scratchy surface on one side and a smooth surface on the other side. They came in a pack of 5 or 6, I think, from Amazon. I will link those below. One thing I will say about these is you need to make sure that the scratchy surface is not used on things like our marble countertops, because they will scratch a lot of surfaces, so I tend to use the smooth side of these rather than the scratchy side. I have got my refills for my floor cleaner, which is down here, which I fill with the Zoflora. So that the refills for that are kept in this basket too, along with a couple of sponges ready to go. And they're just all, as they get washed and cleaned and dried, they get put away in here, out of the way. So next we've got down here a big basket of Marie Kondo filled. I don't fill everything in the Marie Kondo way, but I do like to do the cloths this way. And these are microfiber cloths. I would have massively suggest buying these en masse. It saves me so much money in kitchen towel and things. So we have different color-coded ones. I have used pink for basically non-bathrooms and blue for bathrooms. So those are a really good thing to have in stock for cleaning all over your house. Down here, if we can get all the way down into the deepest, darkest corner, we've got more clean, dry cloth wipes ready to go. We've got the, this is where I store my wet bags. These I use for cloth nappies, for when we're out and about to store them, but also they're really good for things like dirty bibs, dirty clothes that have been muddied or soiled and out and about, to keep the rest of your bag clean and dry. I also, in fact, incidentally put these in the children's bags for school, so if there's anything they need to bring home that's mucky, they can put them in there. Down the bottom we have girls' bibs to cover their dresses when they're eating, and a basket of laundry meshes which go inside the cloth nappy buckets, and also to separate out delicate items in the washing machine. So we can close up the big shiny cupboard now, we don't need that anymore. Down here we've got the dryer, which was always there, and the washing machine. Over here I've got, this is left over from when I was doing expressing and stuff, and I was using this to dry off my you know, parts, components of the breast pump. But it's also really handy for drying off plastic things like these syringes that we've been through so many of recently when the children have been ill. It's a good place to leave things to dry kind of hygienically, and they kind of drip dry into the tray without leaving a big mess, and make sure they dry quite thoroughly. Into the cupboard we've got Lenore fabric softener, very non-bio, which I found really nice and kind for children's skin. And then in here we've got a basket of washing machine essentials. So we've got Mio Fresh, which I use a scoop of this in with the cloth nappy wash, but it's also good to have in stock to sanitize things like bedding after they've been sick, or towels if there are kind of bugs and germs and things about that you want to kill off. We have got some lovely smelly Unstoppables which go into the wash. You have to be really careful with these, they're very poisonous to children, they look a bit like sweets, so you need to keep them well away from children, as you do with all kind of these kind of chemicals. But these especially can kind of bounce everywhere, so make sure that you're quite careful when using those. And then I keep Vanish for quite inevitable kiddie stains really. So that is all kept in there. Down the bottom we have got a basket of sheets. Now the colour catcher sheets I like to keep in stock for, you know, when you've got like a top that's maybe red and white stripes and you're not sure which load it goes into. If you pop one of these in, it will stop the top running into other things but also running into itself. And then we've also got dryer sheets, and also an Eco Egg washing machine detox tablets, which I do in fact I'm probably due to do that again quite soon, which I do every now and again just to kind of keep the machine spangly and fresh. Also in here I keep all our kind of shoe care, you know, polishy things, and apparently far too much, I know you can see back there, shoe protector. Apparently I've bought shoe protector every single time I've bought shoes for my children and have never used that much of it. Don't let me buy any more shoe protector, I have too much. Okay, over this half we have more spare Mio Fresh. I got quite a lot of those. I like to buy them in bulk because it's a lot cheaper to buy them that way. And then I got my Zoflora basket. So my favourite scent at the moment. I quite like the tropical twist, but my favourite at the moment has got to be Linen Fresh. So loving that for generally making everything smell gorgeous and amazing after it's been cleaned. And then down the bottom we've just got lots of very boring bin bags and recycling bags. So that's kind of the gist of it. That is my new laundry room. The biggest difference is I used to have baskets of clean washing, dirty washing all over the floor, ready to go, ready to put away. And now it's all kind of clear, other than the stuff I've just left out while making this video for you. It's all kind of clear, and it's just a much easier system. Popping the things away straight into there. As they come out of the dryer, it makes my life so much easier. The dirty washing gets put up here. We've got a few of these baskets on rotation, and what happens is there's one of them in the bathroom. As soon as it's full, it gets carried downstairs, plonked up there, ready to go to the machine, and then it goes from there into the machine, into the dryer, and into there. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. My little tour of my laundry room and how I do the laundry for the 6 of us. If you've liked this video, please give it a little thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to be notified when more videos are posted. Seriously, can't even speak today. thank you again for watching, and please don't forget to come back and check out more videos very soon. See you very soon, guys. Bye.